Hello everyone, 1K back. Today we want to take a look at the Marvel Legends, the Infinity Saga Endgame Thor. So this is final appearance at the final battle. Let's take a look. So he has both his hammers, and I brought some other Thor figures we can compare this to as well. So here it is. Tray. So this lightning effect looks pretty cool. Oh, there's two of them. It's just lightning effect. Two lightning effects on top of each other. Yeah, they're the same. Stormbreaker. Check out the details. Paint it silver, and then it's kind of clear thunder look. Looks cool. And this is like a Mjolnir that we've never seen before. We've never seen it like this, or charged up. That looks pretty awesome. And there's two extra hands. I'm not gonna take those out because pretty sure I'm gonna display him holding both his hammers. Alright. And here it is. Endgame Thor. Check out that head scope. It looks like a Viking. Ooh, look at this. Pinless elbows, pinless knees. It's double jointed knee, double jointed pinless elbows. Look at that. Neck, bow in the neck, bow in the head. Wow, gets you all sorts of articulation. The belly, look at the belly. Bicep swivel. Wow, this is nice. Wrist swivel. Okay, and then another articulation joint at the wrist. So shoulders pop out. Okay. 4360 here, and this one is also. He looks good. Kind of an ab crunch. Right? Is this an ab crunch? This is kind of like a stomach crunch. It's a cut right before the pecs, so that's where the crunch is here. Can't do the split, but it's not bad. Front, double jointed knee again. Go pivot, toe joint. All right, he looks great. He looks really nice. Let's put in Stormbreaker. Oh, this looks like it's kind of hard to. Oh, nope, never mind. Not hard to put in at all. And put Mjolnir on his other hand. There it is. Supercharged Mjolnir and Stormbreaker. Ooh, looks good. Looks good. So how does this work? I guess you could just swirl it. Alright, because this, you see this? You can just swirl this around the hammers. Alright. Kind of. Let's see how this works. There you go. That's not as effective. It just comes out. Let's give it another shot. Then we can compare them to some of the other Thors we have available to us from the Marvel Legend MCU line. I'll just put all the effects on Stormbreaker. Not sure how accurate this is, but I mean, figure it is, but can't remember the thunders coming out. Maybe there was. Maybe there was a part where there was thunder coming out of Stormbreaker and Mjolnir. Just can't really remember much from the movie. It wasn't even that long ago, was it? Feels like a long time ago. To be honest, feels like a lifetime ago. Still going to the movies, watching Endgame. All right. Let's forget about these lightning effects. Here is Thor holding Stormbreaker. Here is Thor next to the Build-A-Figure Thor. I think this is the same scope. Oh, it is. It's the same scope. This doesn't hold it very well. So they call this Fat Thor or Bro Thor. Same thing. Same Thor. Then we have Infinity War Thor. So this Stormbreaker is completely different. Right? Look at this Stormbreaker. Which one do you like better? This is Stormbreakers from Infinity War. So not only has Thor gained weight, it looks like he also got shorter. So Thor got probably a few inches shorter. Look at that. He got shorter, grew his hair longer, grew out his beard, and gained, I don't know, 70 pounds. Oh, and here's Chris Evans, Captain America. This is good. I mean, he's still taller than Cap, which is what matters, right? Good head over Cap. So that's good. Thor figures. Yeah. Jeez. Why is nothing wants to stand today? Come on, let me just get it. Final shot. So this is Infinity War's Thor from. This is the Bath Build-A-Figure Thor, Bro Thor, Fat Thor, whatever. And this is the Infinity Saga. Final Endgame Thor. And I forgot which cap this is. There's like a whole bunch of caps. Not sure which cap this is. Yeah. Yeah, pick this one up. He looks cool. Check out the texture and everything too. Very nice.